back with another video. This is BevB. Who else would it be? You're on my channel. And today I'm unbagging this cool item from Amazon. I think I know what it is. Mariah, aka Crazy Diamonds, actually sent this to me. I'll put a link to her channel below. You should go check it out. Subscribe to her channel. And while you're here, if you like this video and it was helpful for you, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new videos on a regular basis. So here are my trusty scissors, or skizzers as Jenny and Abigail, other creators, like to call them. Skizzers. Who calls the scissors skizzers? Leave a comment down below. I want to know. Tell me. Okay, so let's take this thing out of here. Is there anything else? There's a little thingy, whatever, invoice thing. This envelope is actually really nice. I might save it to send someone else something in it. And oh my goodness. Okay, so it's called a desk cleaner, but for diamond painters, you can literally use this to suck up your diamonds. So let's take a look. Look at it. It's so cute. So it comes in this box. Do not dip this cleaner in water, otherwise the motor will be damaged. Do not use petrol oil or benzene to clean it. Good thing I do not have petrol oil or benzene. I don't even know what that is. Let's take a look. Oh my goodness! It's a little owl! Is it an owl, guys? Let's take out the base here. Oh no, it's already, I'm breaking it apart. So we have a little owl dude. Look how silly he is. Is this his teeth or is this feathers? I'm going to say that that's teeth because then he can kind of look like one of my fugglers. If you don't know what fugglers are, this is a fuggler. He's so cute. He's a little baby with his teeth. First, let's take a look at it. So here it has like little, I don't know, bristly feet, bristly brushes. And then I guess you just go over the area and you suction it. So let's see, where do the batteries go? There's no instructions that come with this. But I did take it apart just now. Oh, there's no instructions, guys. Just kidding, they're on the side. Insert battery. Open the cover according to the arrow direction to turn that. Then insert the battery. Heh. Oh, it goes in his head. Where's the arrow instructions? Oh, there we go. So you put in 2 AA batteries here. Okay, let me go get some batteries. I'll BRB. Okay, I'm back. I have 2 batteries. I had to take one of them out of my computer mouse. That's what I get for using a mouse that needs batteries, right? Okay, so this is the positive side. Why is life so hard sometimes, guys? That is what I want to know. Okay, so we'll fit that in here. Okay, and then the other side. I feel like this is weird. This side. It turned on while my hand was on it. Oh my goodness. I got scared. Sorry, guys. I yelled really loud. Oh my goodness. Okay. This makes for good TV, right? If I cut my hand off with the fan underneath. Good TV. Good ratings. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Okay, so we'll put this back on so I don't cut off my finger. His head is on backwards. Okay, well his head is on backwards, okay, or on the side. He is looking to the left. Okay, so I have some white drills, and yes, there is a red drill with the white drills. I don't want to talk about it. Clayton keeps making fun of me, saying that there's a drill that doesn't belong, but I'm sorry that my drills are inclusive, so let's pretend like, oh no, I just spilled all my drills on my desk. Oh, now what do I do? So we take this little dude. It's kind of bugging me how his head is not facing the right way. But I'm not going to fix it because it seems like it'd be really annoying to fix. So let's pretend that it is on the right way. And then we'll turn them on. Whoa. And then we'll suck up all these drills. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, all the drills are sucked up. He's a vibraty boy. Okay. Now let us open him. Ah! Oh, cool. Look, all the drills are here. And there's the red road drill. It's okay because you can be included. You can go wherever you want in your life. You can hang out with the white drills if you want to. Who am I to segregate you? So that was cool. It just sucked up all the drills. I'm sure, though, that it will suck up, like, if I didn't clean my desk right before this video, it would probably suck up all the dirty nasties and, like, the dust on my desk. So then I might have dusty drills. But that's really neat. So this is really helpful if you are like me and you're accident prone. Just make sure that when you are installing the batteries that you have this on the off function, because you don't want to cut your finger off with the fan. Just kidding. You wouldn't actually cut your finger off with the fan. It might hurt, but... And then, I don't know how his head is off to the side. But this is really handy. I really like this. Ooh. Oh, and it's kind of like... It blows air too at the same time. Anyways, so this is my little battery-operated desk cleaner. I'll probably use this to clean my actual desk, but also to pick up drills. Thank you so much, Mariah. Again, Mariah from Crazy Diamond sent this to me as a gift because she is a sweetheart. So make sure you do check out her channel. The link is in the description below. If this video is helpful to you, hit the like button and make sure you click the subscribe button. I post new videos on an almost daily basis. Let me know, do you have a drill vacuum? Is this something you might need? Are you accident prone like me? Would you like to see me stick my finger in the fan again? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, that's all I have for you guys today. I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye!